Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Baker here, coming to you live from my classroom. Just kidding. I'm at home. This is just a picture of my classroom. I thought it'd be pretty fitting, though, because I'm teaching math today. So just trying to get us in the mood. We're going to review number bonds to help you solve some of the problems in your second packet, week 4, starting on page 61. I want to do a little review with you on how to find the missing part of a number bond or the whole number, and even how to put those numbers into a number sentence or an equation, which is the word that they use on the papers in your packet. So as you can see here, I shared this board with you. This is just an empty number bond, right? So we have our two parts down at the bottom and then our whole number up top. When I look at page 61, they're going to start you off by giving you the whole number of 14 and one part of 8. And it's your job to find out what's the missing part, what's the unknown number. We can do that in 2 ways. I'm going to show you 2 ways. The first way I'm going to show you is counting on. The second way I'm going to show you is by drawing a picture. So to count on, we're going to start by putting the number 8 in our brain, or whatever part that we know. We're going to start with that, putting that in our brain. And we're going to use our fingers, or we're going to draw dots on our board until we say the number 14. Once we say 14, or whatever your whole number is, you stop. You see how many dots it took you or how many fingers it took you, and that's going to be your missing part. It's going to look something like this. Put 8 in my brain, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I said 14, so I'm stopping. It took me 6 fingers to get there, which means my missing part is going to be 6, okay? The other way that we can do this is to draw a picture. So let's get rid of this. When you draw a picture, you're going to draw a picture of your whole number, okay? So I'm going to draw 14 dots on my board. I'm going to do it in nice groups of 5. I'm going to circle the part that I know. I know there are 8. I'm going to work this one kind of backwards because 8 is the second part that I know, so it matches up a little nicer. So that means these leftover dots are going to be my unknown number. So when you count those up, 5, 6, your missing number is 6. We got the same answer using 2 different strategies. When you move on throughout your packet, they're going to ask you to use those numbers from your number bond and make an equation or a number sentence. So what you do there is you take your 2 parts and you're adding them together to get your whole number. So our 2 parts for this number bond are 6 plus 8 equals 14. Then there are problems where there are 2 equations. They don't want you to write the same thing twice. They want you to make it a little different. And to make it different, it's pretty simple. In my classroom, we call this Criss-Cross Applesauce. And all that means is we are going to crisscross our 2 parts. We're going to switch their places. So the 6 is going to come to the second number spot. The 8 is going to come first. And your applesauce always stays the same. So we say criss, they should match. Cross, they should match. And we check it with the applesauce. Doesn't matter what order your parts are in, you're still going to get the same whole number. I hope this video helped you. And if you need more help as you work through this packet, please reach out to your teacher. Thanks for watching.